we are looking at how to pronounce these two words that are often confused for one another. The top word is said as sherbet, sherbet. The bottom word is pronounced as sorbet from French, a French word. There is actually a slight difference between the two. Sherbet has a little bit of dairy in it, while sorbet doesn't have it, so they're not exactly synonyms, sherbet and sorbet. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate it. It helps me immensely. And more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations, including confusing food names that many get wrong. Thanks for watching. Cheers.